This cabinet will provide lots of extra storage space in your child's bedroom. You can use this for toys like books and even clothes. And it has 3 drawers, and they can help hone in your children's organizational skills. So for example, you can ask them to like put all their books here, like their like clothes here, and their toys over there. So, or like the different toys, like cars here, like animals here, and like other stuff there. This is in color white, so it can be for like boys or girls, and you can change the stuff here as they grow. So when they're older, you can put like other stuff here, like maybe more books, more like school stuff. Eventually, when they are like really older and they don't like this in their bedroom anymore, you can use this in the living room. If you like seasonal decorations, you can use this one too, like what I have here, like more of Easter decorations. You can put this in your living room. And if you're into drinking coffee or tea, then you can use this as a like tea/coffee nook, and then you can have your like tea sets here, and then you can store the coffee and teas in the drawers. And then if you have a coffee maker, you can put the coffee maker on top. So this has many uses, so versatile. This is so durable and sturdy. This is made of high quality material, as you can see. I'll show you up close, even like the drawers. Here's the cabinet up close. Look at the material used. And then look at the drawers. This is very easy to put together. I'll show you how I put this together. These are all the materials. Now let's build it together. Here. And then the other side. That is done. See? Easy, right? I'm almost done. And then the last part here. I stopped because I had to do stuff, so I'm continuing. So now I'm just adding the wheels. Drawer here. There you go. First drawer. If you need an extra storage space for your children's stuff, this is a perfect one, because once they are like grown up, you can still use this in like many other stuff. I highly recommend this. The link is down below if you are interested.